Hello, Crazy Cars family. Today, we're diving into the revival of an icon, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. This new generation Beetle is all about blending its timeless charm with modern technology and sustainability. So, whether you're a nostalgic fan or just love a fun and quirky car, stick around for all the juicy details. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon before we get started. The 2025 Beetle stays true to its roots with a design that's instantly recognizable. The rounded silhouette, circular LED headlights, and compact body pay homage to the original Beetle, but with a futuristic twist. Volkswagen has refined the Beetle's aerodynamics, giving it sleeker curves and an optional panoramic glass roof that makes it feel more modern than ever. The new Beetle also features a minimalist grille, a bold VW badge, and an updated rear end with LED taillights and an integrated spoiler for a sporty vibe. With vibrant color options like sunflower yellow, candy red, and glacier blue, the Beetle is as playful as ever. Under the hood, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle has embraced the electric revolution. That's right, it's now a fully electric vehicle, EV, based on Volkswagen's modular MEB platform. The standard version features a 45 kWh battery pack with a single motor delivering 150 horsepower and 230 pound-feet of torque, making it perfect for zippy urban commutes. If you're after more range and power, there's a 58 kWh battery option with 201 horsepower and a range of about 250 miles on a full charge. For enthusiasts, Volkswagen has introduced a dual-motor AWD version called the Beetle GTX, boasting 300 horsepower and a 0 to 60 mph time of just 5.8 seconds. Charging the 2025 Beetle is a breeze. With support for DC fast charging, you can get the battery from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes using a 150 kilowatts charger. For home charging, the Beetle comes with an 11 kilowatts onboard charger that can fully replenish the battery overnight. This combination of performance, practicality, and sustainability makes the Beetle perfect for the modern driver. Inside, the 2025 Beetle combines retro charm with high-tech features. The round dashboard design and classic toggle switches are a nod to its heritage, while the 10-inch digital instrument cluster and 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system keep it cutting edge. The infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice recognition, making it easy to stay connected. Premium materials like recycled fabrics, vegan leather, and customizable ambient lighting add to the Beetle's eco-friendly and stylish vibe. The Beetle is surprisingly spacious for a compact car, offering ample headroom and legroom for front passengers. The rear seats are better suited for kids or shorter adults, but they fold down to expand the cargo space, making it practical for grocery runs or weekend getaways. Volkswagen has also packed the Beetle with advanced safety and driver assistance features. Standard equipment includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Higher trims add features like 360-degree cameras, park assist, and even an augmented reality head-up display. With these features, the Beetle offers peace of mind without compromising its fun-loving personality. Now let's talk about pricing. The base model of the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle starts at approximately $28,000, making it an affordable entry point into the EV market. The mid-range model with the larger battery and more features is priced around $35,000, while the high-performance Beetle GTX comes in at $42,000. These prices make the Beetle competitive with other EVs like the Mini Cooper Electric and Fiat 500e, while offering more personality and charm. In conclusion, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle is a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. Its retro-modern design, electric powertrain, and tech-packed interior make it a compelling choice for anyone looking for a stylish and sustainable car. Whether you're cruising through the city or taking a scenic drive, the Beetle delivers a unique driving experience that's hard to beat. Thanks for tuning into Crazy Cars. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car content. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle, and we'll catch you in the next video.